What's up, guys? Welcome back to Worms RC. I apologize, it's been a while since I've had a chance to make any content. I've been unfortunately a little busy with life and work and everything else, but just getting out here for a few minutes today and thought I'd take a quick video. I came up with an idea of putting dualies on my K5 here, and I just wanted to see what it does in the snow. So I got a little snow pile here. I just want to see how this thing's gonna work out. Oops. My bad, I'm trying to drive one-handed here. There we go. Uh-oh. I think I just blew a wheel. Well, maybe not. I didn't have a great plan for making these dualies, and I'm sure there's probably something better out there you can buy. I actually just came up with my own adapters to extend the axles out. So unfortunately, the second wheel is not really a drive. It's more like it's just along for the ride. It's kind of cool, like, for the flotation and the look. But as far as, like, what it can actually do, like, you can see my one front wheel there spinning and the outside one's not. It's a little frustrating, and it's about to fall off because it's coming undone now. I gotta come up with something better, but yep, there it goes. Oops. And as soon as that wheel comes off, it just sinks right in. So the theory is good. Like, it does float. It kind of helps, but it's definitely not. I definitely don't have my theory right. I got to come up with something better. I did Loctite it, guys. I know everybody's probably going to be like, oh, just use Loctite. I did. I put Loctite on, but it just seems like I've been playing with this a little bit. Like, I don't know, a month ago now. I had a little bit of time. I just took it out for a quick ride and played with it. And it seemed like when you give it lots of speed and then stop, the sudden stop is when it was coming undone. I did kind of trail it for, I don't know, 20 minutes or something, just over some pretty easy obstacles, just playing around with it. And it did pretty good, but it is definitely way harder on the steering. Like, I put a better servo in it finally. It's got a 35 kilogram servo in it now, which is much stronger, but even still, like, it's too much surface area, so you can feel the drag on the steering. Like I said, it looks cool. It's kind of fun to play around with. It definitely, in theory, works for how it floats on loose surfaces and such, but I definitely got to come up with something better for the drive of it. But I just want to show you guys real quick, and I think we kind of got the idea that it's definitely neat. Gives it a mean stance anyway. Uh-oh, looks like we're gonna lose another wheel here. Yep, there goes another one, and another one. I guess 1 out of 4 ain't bad, right? I don't even know how that one is still holding on there. If all the rest have fallen off that easy. It seems kind of... Definitely gonna have to go back to the drawing board on this idea, guys. It was cool while it lasted. For all of a minute. I think my battery died. Oh, wait, there we go. Ah. Yeah, now it just looks super goofy. And we're done. Okay. Keep in touch, or... Nope, don't do that. There we go. Keep an eye, guys. When I get a chance, I'll try and make some more videos. Hopefully get some more content out here. I really enjoy doing this stuff, but it's just hard to find the time. Anyway, take care, guys. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Thanks.